Okay, so I got it installed, hooked up, whatever. I'll put the bummer on. And I didn't realize the dang thing stopped recording, so I'm really new at this, so please forgive me. But let's get back down to business and get this installed. You can watch from over here. Hopefully you can see. And I hope I don't drop this wrench on my face. That would make me mad. I don't know why I'm struggling right now so hard. What the hell? Come on, get on there. Give me a little tiny turn. Think that's good enough? I don't want to get it too tight. Just one more for good measure. Whoa, I about dropped that on my face. Okay. I can't test it yet because I don't have the drain pipes on. Okay. So I am going to attempt to hook up the drain. What? I'm missing a piece. Dang it, I have to go find a piece that I probably threw in the trash.